Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the fast charging feature isn't working on your VIVO X300 Pro smartphone. First of all, start by checking the cable and charger to your phone for damage or for compatibility. I recommend using the original VIVO charging cable and a charging adapter. Just check that they don't have any cracks or seams on the surface. Make sure that they are plugged in properly into your device, and also try cleaning the charging port of your device. This one USB Type-C port. Just look inside of it, use a flashlight to see if there is any debris inside that could interfere with your charging process, and just in case, try to remove it using a soft, delicate brush, a non-metallic. Do not use any metallic tools. Do not put any metallic tools in there. Use a soft brush to carefully wipe the surface, the inner surface of your charging port, and also make sure that the fast charging is enabled in settings. So go to settings, go to battery, and now in battery select battery health and charging. Swipe down and enable fast charging by switching this toggle to the right. Maybe this was the problem from the start. And also, if none of the previous steps helped you, test the charger and the adapter with another phone and see if it works on another phone, or test another charger on your phone to make sure where the problem is. At last, it's a general piece of advice. Just go to settings, go to system update, make sure that your device is connected to the internet, and make sure that your system is up to date, because this sometimes also causes a bunch of different problems. I mean, your device being outdated. So make sure that your device is updated, and not only in case if you didn't get your fast charging work on your smartphone, just check your software for updates. It's very important. And that's basically it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.